Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today we're cooking cottage pie. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-meshed ingredients to cook this recipe at home. Before you start, preheat the oven to 190 degrees. Add the stock pot to boiling water to make the beef stock. Put a frying pan on a medium-high heat and add the oil. Add the onion, garlic and carrots. Cook until soft. Now add the mince and mix until it's browned through. Add the chopped tomatoes, mixed herbs, tomato puree, beef stock and Worcestershire sauce. Season with salt and pepper. Mix it together, cover the saucepan and simmer for 30 minutes. While the meat is simmering, put a saucepan of water on a high heat and boil the potatoes. After around 15 minutes you should be able to insert a knife and meet no resistance. This means they're done. Drain them and add the butter, mustard and milk. Mash everything until it's smooth. Now spoon the simmering mince into the bottom of your baking dish. Add a layer of mash on top and use a fork to spread it evenly. Bake in the oven for 30 minutes when the top should start to turn golden brown. Serve this wonderful pie while it's piping hot and the juicy meat is packed with flavour. Nobody will be able to turn down another helping of this wonderful dish. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.